That's a lie.
No, it's not.
We are using technology on the computer in PowerPoint and doing our lab report on PowerPoint. We are also using the thermometer to tell what the temperature is so it gets thermal equilibrium.
And we're also doing a graph on the computer.
Very good.
Oh, snap.
I am typing up our lab report about what we're doing in our experiment.
And where are you typing it?
I'm typing it on our Wikispace for other lab groups to see what we're doing.
What other kind of stuff have you put on your wiki?
We've put stuff about like boiling water and
Is that a graph, I see? What's that graph of?
yeah, this is a graph
And where'd you make
of
that?
density.
And you had another graph too. Can you show your other one? What programs made those graphs?
Data Studio we used to record the temperature of water, and we had 3 trials.
Good. Okay, thanks.
Good job.
Here we're doing a lab with cold water and hot water, and we're warming that up till it boils, and then we're going to be mixing them into the same beaker.
Okay, we let the cold water stay for 1 minute, and then we're waiting until the hot water reaches its boiling point.
And tell me what we're looking at on this computer.
How hot the water stays and its temperature. We are doing a lab, and we are doing different volumes of hot water, but the same volume of cold water, and we mix them.
And what are you seeing on your computer screen?
The hot water the temperature is rising.
Okay. And what are you doing on that computer?
I am on the Team 8 Blue Wikispaces, typing in all of our information of what we see and what's happening,
And why do you put it there?
so everybody can see like what we're learning and what we learned.
Wait, I don't remember them doing. Did you? Huh?
Start. Okay, is this connected all the way?
What are you working on, Rachel? What do you have there?
It's a temperature sensor, and it's going to help us measure the temperature of the cold water.
Think it's helpful to have the technology in this kind of lab?
Yeah, I do, because if we didn't have the technology like we have here, then we would have to use thermometers and all kinds of other stuff. It would take a lot longer, and we have the temperature here, and then it graphs it for us. So it makes it pretty easy.
Why aren't you working on the same thing as everyone else?
Because I took a pre-test and I passed it, so I can do an extra project.
And what's your project about?
I'm working on infrared light.
How are you using computers to do your project?
I'm researching it and looking up experiments to see what I can do.
And where do you put your notes while you're working on this?
I put in Evernote or Team 8 Blue Wiki.